Welcome to the official website of Dr. Shashi Kant Dikshit, your trusted destination for research excellence, academic innovation, and professional development. Whether you are a student, researcher, faculty member, or educational institution, this platform is designed to help you learn, research, publish, and succeed with confidence. With more than 2 decades of academic and professional experience, my expertise spans research methodology, statistics and data analytics, SmartPLS, AMOS and structural equation modeling, AI-assisted academic writing, academic consulting, and professional learning solutions. Every program, consultation, and learning resource is carefully designed to bridge the gap between academic theory and practical application. Building on these areas of specialization, I offer professionally designed online and offline courses that transform knowledge into practical, career-enhancing skills. Whether you are beginning your research journey or advancing your expertise in research methodology, statistics, SPSS, SmartPLS, SAME, data analytics, artificial intelligence, or business analytics, every course combines real-world applications, hands-on practice, and expert guidance to help you achieve academic excellence and professional success. To support your academic journey, you'll also find a growing library of free resources, including research proposal templates, literature review matrices, questionnaire design checklists, sample size calculators, and practical guides. These ready-to-use resources are created to save time, improve research quality, and make your work more efficient. Knowledge grows when it's shared. That's why I've created a comprehensive collection of blogs and educational videos covering research methodology, statistical analysis, AI tools for researchers, publication strategies, outcome-based education, and academic excellence. These practical, step-by-step resources simplify complex concepts and help you apply them confidently in your research and professional work. Beyond learning, I offer personalized consulting and institutional support in research methodology, publication strategy, statistical analysis, AI-driven research solutions, faculty development, accreditation, curriculum design, and academic quality assurance. Whether you're working on a dissertation, publishing in high-impact journals, implementing outcome-based education, or strengthening institutional excellence, you'll find practical guidance tailored to your goals. Thank you for visiting. I invite you to explore the courses, access valuable resources, watch our latest videos, and connect with me for professional consultation. Together, let's research with purpose, analyze with confidence, publish with impact, and achieve academic excellence.